In today's video, we're going to go over the Class Charlie airspace around the Green Bay, Wisconsin airport and talk a little bit about the arrival procedures, the VFR arrival procedures that are published in the AirVenture NOTAM that keeps you out of the Class Charlie airspace around Green Bay and the Class Delta airspace around Appleton, Wisconsin. My name is Heather Monthie. If you're new to my channel, I create educational aviation videos to help you prepare for and pass your FAA exams. So welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you've been here before, glad to see you again. Now, at the Green Bay Airport, we've got this Class Charlie airspace here. It is northeast of Oshkosh. So Oshkosh is down here. So in the AirVenture NOTAM, there is some guidance for you. If you're flying into Oshkosh, there are some guidelines for you so that you stay out of the Green Bay Class Charlie and the Appleton Class Delta. And the reason for that is to just reduce the workload on air traffic control. Just stay clear of the airspace and follow these procedures as you're coming in to Oshkosh. So if you're coming in from the northeast, flying southwest towards Oshkosh, there's some procedures here to help you keep clear of the Class Charlie and the Class Delta down here in Appleton. And Appleton is right here. So Appleton's almost directly due north of Oshkosh. So this is the area we're talking about here, Green Bay, Appleton, Oshkosh, okay? So on the west side of Green Bay, you have the Shawano Airport and the Carter Airport. That is pronounced Shawano, it's easy S, and then Carter 92C. If you stay between Shawano and Carter and then stay east of Clintonville here, it'll bring you to the New London checkpoint, all right? We've got, if we go up here farther to the north, you've got Shawano here. Shawano Lake is a really easy way to find that particular airport. And then you've got Carter here. So if you stay in the middle, Bonduelle is a checkpoint for Green Bay. So you'll see that here. It is pronounced Bonduelle. And so if you stay here, through here, you're going to stay clear of the Appleton Class Delta. You'll stay clear of the Green Bay Class Charlie. Fun fact, this is the Clintonville Airport here. That is the airport that I took a field trip to in kindergarten that got me started on my aviation journey. So I saw an airplane do a touch and go and I was hooked. So that happened at the Clintonville Airport. So you're going to stay east here of Clintonville, come into New London. Sorry, I keep clicking on that page there. New London right here is a VFR checkpoint that you can see there. Okay. So you're really going to stay here through this particular airspace right here. And then on the east side of Green Bay, you've got New Franken, and then you've got Brilliant. And then there's this line between Appleton and Manitowoc. That is for VFR Lake Crossing. So you're going to contact Green Bay Approach on 120.2 if you're north of that line. So if you are leaving the area, you're coming in the area and you're crossing the lake, with the lake being Lake Michigan right here. If you're above this line between Appleton and Manitowoc, you're going to use Green Bay Approach at 120.2. South of that, you're going to contact Milwaukee, okay? And then there is a line that they're not going to provide that coverage as well. So that's out of the scope for this particular video. So on the east side of Green Bay, you've got New Franken, which is right here, Denmark, and then you've got Brilliant farther here to the south. So Brilliant is right here further to the south. So if you are east of Green Bay, you're going to use Green Bay Approach at 119.25. And then if you are west of Green Bay, you're going to use Green Bay Approach at 126.3, okay? So that is the procedure to stay clear of the Class Charlie and Class Delta airspace in the approach to Oshkosh, if you're coming into Oshkosh during the air show. So that's a really quick and dirty explanation of the Green Bay airspace. Like I said, really, if you're flying in during the convention, you're coming in for the air show, they do want you to stay clear of the Green Bay Class Charlie. And so I hope you found this video helpful. And please check out my other videos that I have on the AirVenture NOTAM that are intended to just help you read through that NOTAM, understand those procedures. My guidance for you is if you are a pilot that's flying into the Oshkosh Air Show during AirVenture, read that NOTAM front to back, know everything that everybody else is doing so that even though somebody's not doing the same thing you're doing, you can know, okay, they're on this particular approach, or this person has no clue what they're doing and I need to keep an even closer eye on them, okay? So make sure you read that whole entire NOTAM, and making these videos is just a way to help guide you through that particular NOTAM because I am very familiar with this particular airspace. So I just wanted to create this video series to help you out. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.